Welcome! In this tutorial, let's learn how to use lookup fields to connect the data of multi-lists. Each application includes multiple content lists. Like a sales management system includes the accounts, contacts, and opportunities list. And each item in the accounts and opportunities list is associated with an item in the accounts list. To build the relationship, you can create the lookup field in the contracts and opportunities list. And select the account list as the source. When create a new item in the contracts list, you can select the account from the accounts list. You can also create a customer list form in the accounts list. Then add a contents list control to display the related opportunities or contacts, etc. Here is the accounts list where includes are the company's info. Click one item to open the detail page. You can see there are two sections, includes the contacts and the opportunities that belong to this company. You can click one opportunity from the list to open the detail page. Or click the Add Item button to create a new opportunity. Fill in the required fields and click OK. And the new opportunity is created. To add the associated list in the View page, go to the List settings and select Forms. Click the Edit button of the View page to open the List Form Designer. Select the Content List control from the left panel and drag to the Lift List Form from the Property Settings panel on the right. Select the Contracts list. Click the Select List fields and select which fields to display in this list. Click the Filter Setting button to set the filter conditions. The drop-down list includes fields of contacts list. Select the account field, which is the lookup field associated with the accounts list, and open the expression editor. Select the ID fields from the fields of accounts list. Click OK to complete the filter settings. Select View Detail will allow users to click each item to open the detail page. Select Add will allow users to add new accounts, contacts in the list. Click the Assignment button. Add the mapping between the account fields in the contact list with the current account. You can change the title of the content list control. After all set, click Submit button to make your form available. Now click one account to open the detail page. The new contacts part lists all the related contacts. List the new item button to add a new contact. Well, that's all for now. To learn more about Application Builder, check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.